everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 137. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. My government firmly believes in maintaining the continuity of the developmental process, and it is in that spirit that we have continued with the progress of the ninth plan, although the final document is coming for approval now. We are all legitimately proud of India's multifarious achievements in the first 50 years of independence. This is especially noteworthy since the nation's development has taken place within the framework of democracy. Yet all of us share an equally deep concern over what the one-third of our citizens still live below a modestly defined poverty line. Illiteracy is still unacceptably high, and many do not have access to the drinking water, health services, housing, sanitation, and proper communication facilities. The National Development Council is an important forum to continually review our development process and take appropriate macro-level decisions to progress in the desired direction. It is also the most effective institutional mechanism to conduct this exercise with the framework of harmonious cooperation and partnership between the center and the state governments. Our collective commitment to the people of India is that we will eradicate poverty, full employment, build a strong economy, and create a right conditions for the full flowering of our national genius. For this, we have to speed up economic growth. The ninth plan must catalyze our efforts to achieve these goals in a substantial way. We must take significant headway in building a sound social and physical infrastructure. We must double our food production in the next 10 years to feed our ever-increasing population. We must simultaneously take effective steps to check population growth, an area that we have neglected so far. We need to use information technology in all areas of our national life to generate prosperity and lay the foundation for India's emergence as a knowledge-driven society in the 21st century. I had asked the Planning Commission to prepare special action plans on a social and physical infrastructure and on information technology. These special plans have been incorporated in the 9th 5-year plan. The plan document before you details the program of action that will set the tone of development in the next century for the people of India. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.